welcome back to my channel. This is Pashpika, the channel where we talk a lot about making money online as a creative person, as an artist. Well, in today's video, we're going to be talking about the latest updates. Yes, this is the video series that I'm starting, and this is the first video in the series. Every single month, I'm going to be making and uploading one video talking about the latest update, the latest news, the latest new product release, and everything about the news and latest stuff for you to help you make more money as a creative person. Well, this is the January, so I have an exciting news, exciting update for the January. So without further ado, let's dive in. Before go park, consider clicking like button, guys. I do love shit. For such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon. Whenever I'm gonna upload new videos, you're gonna get notified about it. Also, we have a lot of cool free resources to help you make more money. The links are in description box below. You can support me and my channel on the Patreon. Now, on the Patreon, we have an amazing cool perks. You're not only gonna support me and my channel, the Patreon, but you're also gonna get the cool design resources, new ideas, new theme ideas, early access to my YouTube videos, a lot of the new content, plus a separate bonus email newsletter for you. So all the links are in description box below. The Patreon link is in description box below. Anyway, guys, let's talk about the latest update. The first, I'm gonna talk about the latest update about the Zazzle, because I know a lot of you guys would be interested in that. Plus, I am also. Then we're going to be talking about the Creative Fabrica. Then we're going to talking about the YouTube, because if you're starting with a YouTube channel as a creative person, this news will going to be helping you. So let's talk about, first of all, about the Zazzle. Now, recently in the January itself, Zazzle launched the 3 amazing, interesting products. The first is the cornhole bags. Like if you already know about the cornhole set, then the cornhole set, the bag was missing. So here we are with the cornhole bags. The second product is the giant topple tower, like the game if you know giant topple tower. The third one is the wall clocks. Now this one is the wood framed round wall clocks. Now obviously they do have the wall clock already, that was in the acrylic, but this one is the wooden frame, so it's a different. So these are the 3 new product launches for the January that Zazzle actually launched. And another one cool interesting fact I have for you is the digital product. Yes, if you have been following me so far, you know that I've already made a video talking about selling the digital products on the Zazzle. I'm gonna leave that video in the card section above, but that video I think I uploaded back in the October and November. And that was the first time Zazzle actually declared that they're starting with the digital product. But since they actually put on a hold and gave the designers an ample amount of time to take their decisions, and finally when they were finished taking the decisions in the January itself, they started launching the digital products, and they make it as a deadline on 12th January, which I already actually announced in my community tab. If you're following me in the community tab of this channel, you would be aware of that. I already declared that last date is the 12th January. So after that, they started with the digital products, and you're gonna see that the 3 of the products are offering the digital product, the cards, invitations, and the last one they have currently is the poster. Obviously in the future, if this particular stuff will gonna like boom, the people are purchasing the digital product, they're gonna have the digital products for other product as well. So right now only these 3 products. So you could very well go visit your store and see which are the products already available as the digital products. If you haven't, make it eligible. Make sure you eligible it, make sure you update it. And right now I'm seeing the royalty rate or royalty percentage for these digital products is 92%. That's pretty high in comparison to the physical product. Physical product, we have the range around 5 to 15%. Of course, you can increase beyond 15%. But ideally, it's 10% or around 7% or 12%, like that's the range, okay? But for the digital products, you have a 92%, which is pretty great in terms of making more money. In a couple of the months, we're gonna take a look at how the digital products are actually performing in the Zazzle market. I have also actually made all my product enabled for the digital products, so I'm gonna keep you updated if any of the sales I made from the digital products or not, and how the digital products are selling well on the Zazzle. I'm gonna keep you updated in this particular video series in the couple of the months. But this is a new announcement of the digital products. Of course, you can read more about the guide on the Zazzle and look more about the royalty rates and all that stuff. Another thing I'm going to cover over here is creator wedding guide. Zazzle recently on their newsfeed actually announced the creator wedding guide for 2023. So if you are targeting the wedding niche, this is something you really need to look into, because they are having a PDF download which is actually focusing on what would be the trending in 2023 in terms of the theme, the niches, the design ideas, the patterns. Like the bold shapes pattern would be popular, the black and silver niches if you're targeting one. Make sure you download that PDF because it has a juicy stuff for bringing in sales for the wedding niche. That's about the Zazzle. Obviously, we're gonna see a lot of the updates coming soon in the couple of the months. I'm gonna keep you updated. Let's talk about the Creative Fabrica because recently the Creative Fabrica also booming up great with the Creative Spark with the new feature. I have already made a video talking about the Creative Spark, the new feature. I'm gonna leave that in the comment section above. I am also looking forward so that I can use this Creative Fabrica Spark feature to actually sell as a designer. So we're going to be talking about the latest update of the Creative Fabric. In their email, they actually sent it, I think, a couple of days back only, like boosting your sales in 2023. So they have shared the few tips. I'm going to share a few tips if you're looking forward to increase your sales. It's first about the following the trends. Now I've already, I think, made a video talking about the search analytic option in your Creative Fabrica dashboard, which can help you to look at the trends, what are the trending keywords, what's popular right now, what people are looking for, and all that stuff. If you want me to make that video, let me know in the comment section below. I think I've already made it. But again, if you want me to make a revised video and adding a little bit more tips, let me know in the comment section below. But they do have a section on the Creative Fabrica designer dashboard to see the search analytics, what's trending. So keeping yourself on the trend is really great, and I talk a lot about finding a great balance between trending and evergreen niches. Another one I already covered in my tips and strategies on Creative Fabrica is activating a shop promotion. I talk a lot about when you're uploading the products on the Creative Fabrica, you're getting the 4 boxes below. In one of those boxes, you have the activate a shop promotion option, where actually Creative Fabrica offer the discounts on your shop, on your products, like 50 to 90%, specifically in the Black Friday sales, and the Cyber Monday or the Valentine's sales or occasional sales. They do have the promotion. So if you're looking forward to make more money, make sure you do activate that. Another tip they have is to share your product as an affiliate on the social network like the Pinterest, because you're gonna make more commission. You're making 50% commission as a designer, but you're actually promoting your own products, you're gonna make 75% because 25% would be from the affiliate. Then you can plan ahead. They're also linking the holiday crafting calendar, which you can very well plan according to like in which month you need to upload what kind of products to increase your sales or something like that. That's also really comes in handy. Like if you are in the January, you're going to focus on the Valentine's Day sales, you're going to focus on the Easter or the St. Patrick's Day, or like which month to focus on which particular occasion even, so that you're uploading the right products at the right time to get the sales. Then another, you have to create a bundle to actually increase your sales. That's also great. But make sure you download the crafting calendar they have for you if you're interested in actually knowing what type of product to upload in which month if you are targeting the trends. Like right now it's the January, so you're gonna be going for the St. Patrick's or the Easter. Okay, so this is about the Creative Fabrica stuff. The YouTube, we're gonna talk about the YouTube trends, what's the latest news. And then I'm going to talk about what are the products or design that you can target in this particular January, so that if you are looking for the trending niches or design, you're expecting to get the sale. Now we are going to talk about the YouTube. So YouTube recently actually announces their AdSense on the YouTube Shorts. Yes, great. That's great news. Starting from the 1st February 2023, they would be having the ads running on the Shorts. And the people who are already there in the Partner program, like the YouTube Partner program, will gonna make also money from the Shorts ads that the ad running on their Shorts video. So that's a great thing, because earlier they were having a Shorts creative fund. For that, you need to have millions and billions of views to make money from the creative short fund, and that was very small fund. But right now, from the 1st February itself, you're gonna make money from the ad running on your Shorts. So that's a great. Now also they have actually lowered the bar for accepting the YouTube Partner program. Like you can go into the YouTube Partner program as the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. But if you are having the Shorts channel, then the bar is a little bit lower. Shorts fund invites for January channel performance will go out in the mid-February 2023 with payments in the March. So if you are already being in the YouTube Partner program, make sure you abide to the rules and new guidelines of the YouTube to have your ads running on the YouTube Shorts, so that you could actually monetize your YouTube Shorts by the YouTube Partner program. Again, they have a different eligibility criteria as well. Like if you have at least 10 million views over the last 90 days, then you can also be part of the YouTube Partner program for the Shorts running, for the ads running on your Shorts and making money via that. So you need to have met either of these two criteria. So either of them, if you're satisfying one of the category, you would be part of the YouTube partner program. So this is the latest news and updates. Plus they also have the super thanks available in the shorts as well. Like if you see, the super thanks was only available in the long form of the content, but recently they have added to the YouTube shorts as well. So this is the update for the YouTube for the January. We're gonna see more updates coming in the couple of the months. I'm gonna keep you updated. Now let's move over to the last part of the video, which is the what are the stuffs that are gonna be trending in the January and what you need to target. Now this is the first quarter, and with regard the first quarter, the sales are not that big or high in comparison to the rest of the quarter, but this is the great time of the year to actually focus on your research, on the product development, uploading the designs, making the new designs, and which niches to target and all that stuff you could do right now. The research and planning stuff needs to be done at this particular time, so make sure you do utilize this time to go do this particular thing. With that being said, for the January, if you're targeting for uploading the designs right now, uploading the products right now, you should be targeting for the sales for the trending niches of the March, April or June. Like we are taking at least 3 to 4 months ahead of that particular occasion. So we would be targeting for the March or April. March, we have the St. Patrick's Day. Then we have the International Women's Day. So if you're targeting these two niches for the March, you can upload the designs right now. For the April, we are targeting the Easter and the Earth Day. So that's a great, you can target for that. For the May, we have the Mother's Day, Memorial Day and Teachers Appreciation Week. Like these are the trending niches you could target if you're targeting for the month of the March, April or May. For the June, we have the Father's Day and Pride Month, and also you could also have for the like the graduation day content you could also upload if you're targeting for the June. That is all about the couple of the 4 months March to the June that you can target for the trending niches and trending designs. So these are the latest update for the January, latest ideas, latest products. Hopefully you find this video useful, and let me know in the comment section below, do you like this kind of a video series or not, talking about the latest updates or news or not? I would really love to hear from you. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye guys.